So today we're gonna be opening this airplane set. Let's open it with the Kids Vlogs UK squad all together. What's in there? Bus, buckle up. There's so much. An airport thing, a bus, an emergency sign, a cones, a plane. Wow. And luggage. Oh, I couldn't get that out. The plane and the cones were quite hard. Oh, I got the airport sign out. What can we get out next? Oh, this KLM one. How do I open it? How do I open this? Oh, this is not opening. Let's just put it back down. Now, with this luggage thing, it carries the luggage into the plane. Looks quite cool. Not what we should get out. I'll get this thing. It can pull a plane and can pull the luggage thing. Now let's get out the bus. How fun is the bus to play with? We can test it out. So, what else is there? Two. A sign. Let's get the sign out, shall we? Oh, fell over. Oh, this wind thing sign. Now, let's do the emergency sign. Take this emergency out. Oh, it flew off the table. Let's put it to where it should be on the table. Now the cones. Cones, you should be mine. Oh, 4 cones. We can use this for no cars or people to run onto the runaway. Oh, last thing, the plane. Let's get that out. Then we can fly. Because if we don't have a plane, no airport. It's quite hard. Oh, we've got it. Now we can put that down and have a look at this stuff. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Oh, that is a lot of stuff. A lot. Oh, the airport sign. Got that up. Now let's get the emergency sign up. And let's get that sign, buckle up sign up. Now. Oh, let's play around with the bus. Thank you. This is the end of this video. Bye, Kids Vlog UK squad.